So alright everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make PowerPoint presentations using an AI in few seconds, and let me show you some examples that it creates. Okay, just look at these examples. All of this is generated by AI. I have just wrote a prompt and it uses my data, my text, and then generate these type of presentations. Let me show you another one. Look at the colors, everything. I didn't add anything in it. Maybe it does some mistakes, but as you can see, the colors, the boxes and the font and how it writes, how it arranges them. Okay, just look at the diagrams, all those visuals. It is completely generated by AI, this AI. Just look at this one, a forensic analysis, and then this one. Let me show you another one. Exhibit, neurological state, medical miracle, solar geometry, preservation protocol, metabolism, metabolic suspension, the gateway sleep, okay, the protected sleep. And let me show you this one. This is the best with the visuals, and as you can see, there is no faces according to me, because there is one, because I don't want to generate faces using AI to generate face features. It's not allowed, or it's not recommended in my religion according to my learnings, so I avoid them. Just look at the visuals, it's all generated by AI. Okay, and then the last one, look at the brain. It generates images for you with the labels on it. Capillary occlusion, high pressure ischemia zones, environmental pressure. Okay, all right, so how you can make these type of presentations in just few seconds without writing a lot of code, a lot of things. What you have to do, just need to install, sorry, not to install, just go to this platform named Notebook LM. Okay, this is a platform. Go to Google, search Notebook LM, and it is, then after that sign up with your email ID, your Google ID, and click on create notebook. Okay, then it will give a pop-up like this. Here what you have to do, just upload your data. Okay, or you can copy a text. Let me check it first, it is visible to you or not. Okay, so this is the page. Okay, this is Notebook LM. What you have to do, just add your data, or you can search it on a Google. Suppose if you want to generate a PowerPoint presentation of a topic like how do I grow in my career as a science student. Okay, I wrote on my topic here and click on this one, and if you have a website or a link, then you can paste it from there, or a YouTube video link, you can paste it here, or if it is uploaded on a drive, you can upload it, paste it here. And if you have the text from ChatGPT or somewhere else, then you can click on this option, copy text, and paste in it. Okay, but I'm going to search it on a website, and this will start researching some websites and provide me some links. Something went wrong. Let me try another topic. How to stop how to wake up early in the morning. Okay, how to wake up early in the morning. Okay, it start researching websites. This will show you some PDFs, websites, and then you can select which one you need. Okay, it shows me, I think, 10 pages, websites, and all are two of them are PDF and all others are websites, and you can check them by just clicking on this one. It opens the original website, sleepsanity.now, rise and shine, from night also early birds. Okay, or you can select or deselect all of them. Now if you need data from few of them, just select them, tick them like this, And I will take, has anyone successful turn from a night owl? No. Atomic habit summary, I like this one. James Clear, 30 famous CEOs and their powerful. I will select this one. How to stop hitting the snooze button, I will select this one. Effect of flood intake on sleep, this one. And that's okay. I have taken 5 resources. Then click on import, and after a few minutes it start taking your all 5 sources. Now you can ask anything from these sources, what you want to ask from here. And now if you want to generate PowerPoint presentations, you can see here there's an option named Studio, and in the bottom this is slide deck. This option is for creating or generating slides, means a presentation slides. But there's a drawback in this application that it never generates in .pptx. It generates your PDF. It generates a presentation in the PDF form, .pdf form, through which we can't edit them. That's a drawback. But according, as I show you some examples, I don't think so that you need to edit them. There will be no requirement to edit them. Now, okay, what you have to do, you have added your 5 sources, and now if you want to generate direct presentation, just click on it, it starts generating, okay, like this. Okay, and simultaneously you can also add another process, and there's another option here for customization. Click on pencil. You will get some options like detailed deck or presentation slides. If you need a detailed slides, then click on this, otherwise this one. I need a detailed deck, and I can choose languages from there. It has a lot of languages like Hindi, Marathi, Bengali, Urdu, and a lot of languages, French, Italian. Okay, you can select the language and then short and default. Now here you can write what you need and what type of audience you are focusing on, what type of styles, what type of presentation do you need. You need a ancient way presentation, or you don't need a visuals, or you need a visuals, or suppose you can write here, I don't need faces, no faces, no humans in visuals. Okay, make it looks like a medical science presentation. Okay, so through this it will try to generate visuals or background related to medical science. So now click on generate, or you can write let me try this one. I've never tried to write, it must be of 20 slides. Okay, then click on generate. So it takes some times to generate. You can close this tab, or you can check it after some times. Okay, but it's better to keep it on a window. I'm not confirmed about it. It takes some times, but your work is done. Okay, now just wait, and after that I will show you the result. All right, we get a one file is generated, the high performance morning. Let's open it. I will click on this one. You can download this as a PDF actually. Okay, we have a download option. Click on it, it start downloading high performance morning. So as you can see, due to a low internet, sorry, so all right, we got one file. As you can see, it wrote a title, the high performance morning system, and I've downloaded this one. So as you can see, the architecture of the high performance morning, look at the visuals that it creates behind it. Success is not about 5 a.m. It's about intentional. As you can see, Tim Cook, CEO, and Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos focus early discipline fitness to gain in advance. it generates a PPT how to wake up early. The landscape: 4 archetypes of leadership morning: the kinetic, reflective, strategic, and grounded. The foundation: you cannot build on sleep depth, sleep inertia, groggy, psychological sleep deprivation, increase emotional reactivity up to 60%, hardware constraint, you cannot have it. Okay, snooze button trap, alarm sound, what it creates. First we have to learn it, okay, but look at the visuals, look at the designs, how he arranged it, how it arranged all of this. Even it's make a graph of it, result and time. The builder's toolkit, 4 laws of behavior change. Now how you can edit them? I will make another video to convert pdf files into a PowerPoint presentation so that we can edit these PDFs, or we can add another thing. There must have options, okay? So the composition effect of intentionally. Phase 1, your daily protocol. Phase 1, eat, rest the room, friction, light, hydrate, stack, apply, 2-minute rule, and protect at high IQ. All right, so we've also got another one, anatomy of peak performance. Let's open it, and we have an option to download this file, okay? Let me show it. The anatomy of high performance, analysis of physiology, nutrition, biochemistry, and executive routine, study scope, longitudinal analysis, methodology. This AI is for researchers and scientists, I think. Okay, let's check this one. The substrate, the software, and the case study. Abstract: pathology, sleep inertia, and snooze button. Phototherapy, caffeine timing, auditory stimulus, distance, friction. Protocols for waking: the sleep nutrition axis, gut brain axis. All right, okay. Tryptophan, magnesium, omega-3 PUFA regulates melatonin rhythm. We must read this properly to understand that why we are not able to sleep early at night and why we are still not able to wake up. Dietary disruptors, input to avoid. Disruptors: clinical prescription, sleep promoting diet. Okay. Cognitive primers, the mindful architects, strategic solitude, the high IQ windows. It generates a PPT, as I told you that. Let's check how many pages it has. Wait. So it has 20 pages, and you know that in a prompt, you can check the prompt from there. Click on show prompt. No faces, no human individuals, make it look like a medical science presentation. It must be 20 slides, and as you can see, it generates a 20 slides for you. So this is an AI named Notebook LM, and you can use it for free, and it can generate 3 or 4 presentations every day. Yes. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video, and follow for more videos like this, because in the next video I will show you how you can make more things using this Notebook LM, and there are a lot of tools and AI tools that helps you to make your study, your learnings, and your life easier. But don't stop thinking by yourself. Don't depend on AI completely, okay? Learn what you can, read what you can, and remember what you can, and try to remember more things, okay? So thank you for watching this video. Bye.